Hey, Mike, Family DIY TV, and today we are cutting custom solar cover. First thing we want to do is we want to get the solar cover kind of on the pool and leave it there for maybe a day or two in the sun, okay? And the point of doing that is to try to get all the wrinkles out. You may not be able to do it the first time, but that's what we're doing now. We're kind of just having it sitting out in the sun for about a day, and we've been coming out here and trying to get all the wrinkles and get it as flat as possible. So what we're gonna do is we're actually going to cut just one side. So you can see that side is flat against the wall. That's a factory side. And we have that side down there. That's also flat against the wall. So for cutting, it's real simple. We're just gonna use some really good sharp knives. And we're not gonna cut this while it's in the pool.
Scissors?
Skizzers. And we're gonna use a trusty marker.
You're so weird.
So now we're gonna make our first cut. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna fold it in, grab my marker, and go on the inside. And where it's creased, I'm going to mark it. So I'm right in the inside here. I'm actually kind of pushing on the wall too. Bring this up here, and you can see the line, and I'm going to cut it. All right, now we're gonna do the other side. Do the same thing, fold it over. Now I'm coming down here, and I need to put a relief cut in. So I'm going to basically push into the corner here. Okay, and this will allow me to do is put this in and fold it. Now we have this folded over on the whole pool here and pushed up against the wall, so you can see it's against the wall. We're going to do the same thing. We're just going to get the marker and run along here and push against the wall with the marker. Now we're just going to pull it up onto the top. So in some places the line is not as easy to see. So what I'm going to do is we're going to snap a chalk line, and we could see the mark here. We can see the mark down there. Now we got this cut, this piece. We now need to do this funky cut around the steps. So what we're gonna do is pull it up. We're actually just gonna follow the coping on the top with the scissors. All right, so now we got around the step. Now what we're doing is we're cutting off this rest of this piece. We're cutting this piece off before we make our final cut. It's the beginning of May. So as we use the pool, this will probably flatten out a little more, and we'll find some areas we have to trim, no big deal.